trying to dig my plow out. Quite a bit of snow in the way, but also all kinds of other crap. Okay, these are the quick attach plates. So these could be welded onto that plow pretty easily, and then make up some hydraulic hoses, and I'd have a hydraulic angle plow that works on a loader. So that's the plan. Just got back with these attachments. Played around with them for a little bit. So this is a Viking Kives plow off of a plow truck. Big tandem axle plow truck. I have to measure it, but it's probably like 12 feet long, something like that. Or wide, I guess I should say. It's got these skids here, spring trip, big cutting edge. It's in really good shape. It's not rusty or anything. It's also hydraulic angle, so you can kind of set your angle on it, hydraulics. And then this is a fusion, basically fusion coupler for a cat loader, but it was sold as a used plow mount for a Coty plow, which I'd never heard of. Anyway, I took it to the shop there, and the guys put them together, basically, two pieces. So they welded the plow mount, or I guess the quick attach, down onto the push assembly on the plow, set it up so the hydraulics and everything are going to work. Yeah, it's cool. I mean, only used it for a few minutes. One thing I found was it digs in pretty good. I was getting right down to the gravel, which is good, but you just have to pay attention. And then this is a 4-in-1 bucket that I just got in an auction. It's a cat bucket. So 4-in-1, or clam, I guess they call it, but basically it opens here. So this part stays with the loader, this part flips up, and you can do all kinds of stuff. You can grade with it because it's more like a dozer when the blade is up. Instead of your material flopping up into the bucket, you can be knocking your material flat, which is kind of nice. You can also grab things with it, kind of like a grapple in between here when this part opens, or you could just use it like a bucket. So yeah, this is really cool too. So there's cylinders that actuate that, and the cylinder on that side was leaking, so we took it off and sending it in to get rebuilt. But yeah, mounted some more fusion coupler ears on here that I found at an auction. So this will work with my loader now too. Only problem is I started looking close at my loader, and it doesn't actually have auxiliary hydraulics to run any of this. This plow has hydraulic fluid in the system already, so it's just going to stay at the angle it's at. So it's definitely usable like that. But you know, this is I'm a used equipment dealer, used truck and equipment dealer, so everything's for sale all the time. So when that loader sells, I'll just get one that has auxiliary hydraulics, I guess. Anyway, I don't plan on selling these, although if I did, these hydraulic angle plows with loader quick attaches are worth like 10 grand, so there's quite a bit of value here if I did decide to sell it. That bucket's probably, it's hard to say. I saw another one online for about 5 grand set up for this style of loader. So there's some money here in these attachments, and they didn't cost a lot to buy. So, you know, if someone made the right offer, I guess maybe I'd sell them. But they're kind of just to use around the yard for all kinds of projects. But yeah, I'd say that was worth doing. You know, I think this plow was under $1,000, and that plow mount was about $1,000 plus time and labor, whatever. But you know, that's a pretty big difference. This loader bucket I think was like $650, and then that quick attach was about $1,500. I had some shipping on these too, but you know, overall I'm into them for less than half of what they're worth, so it's worth doing.